Hi, welcome to Flower of the Day series. I'm Deepika, a floral alchemist and an intuitive energy healer. Today's flower is the Thumba flower, mostly present in Indian subcontinent. This particular plant is widely used as a herbal remedy for treating cold, cough, sinus infections, and any other bacterial infections too. And the flower is a very small flower which is white in color. It signifies purity and simplicity. Let's do a little activation with this flower now. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath. Visualize the Thumba flower in front of you. The tiny minuscule white flowers, spreading its energies all around you, soaking you with pure love. Wonderful. Feeling completely relaxed. Lightening our mood. Bringing us a smile to our face. With its pure and wonderful energies, which is very soft and delicate. Spreading more joy and happiness into our lives. So cool. Take a deep breath and you may gently open your eyes now. Thank you. If you like this video, do share and subscribe to my channel.